lots of golf and spend time with the grandkids.
I don't have grandkids.
Well, now's your chance to get some.
Actually, do you validate parking?
This is an outrage, a travesty, a plokey pluck! Ow, my retinas!
Wait, what just happened?
I fired you.
Okay, just checking.
Atop the incredibly dangerous but inaccurately named Mount Safety.
Something cool like Automatopolis? Don't! That's a load-bearing banana!
Actually, I'm just gonna lie down in the fetal position and weep.
Rule of threes, Your Majesty. Only a total dum-dum. Bananas give me splinters in my gums.
Time for some rescuing, baby! Action, hero-ness.
Hey, lay off, man! Glue. Get your fresh glue here.
I had Wolf Sidekick's autobiography, just settle for second best, in my straps.
Are we really that predictable?
Less talking, more ratting.
But now it's Hedgehog Village.
Forget I said anything.
Order up for Sonic?
I think you mean Sonic.
No, it says Sonic right here.
This may take a minute. If he says love, I'm out of here. Still waiting on that trick. Lounging in your pajamas? Oh, dude, gross. Hey, I'm totally capable of wailing on eggs Florentine for breakfast. I call them whaled on eggs.
Do you have any idea what's going on outside?
Judging by your outrage, I'd guess someone's having fun. I'll give you something to sue me about! It's delicious. It's like my taste buds are swimming in a sea of mouth-watering, tomatoey goodness. What? Not bad for a blue pineapple.
You eat popcorn when you're depressed, too? Guilty!
Of being awesome? Well, I'm glad my contempt for the situation worked out for you. A giant rock monster is laying waste to the countryside.
Get in the hedgehog harness.
What? No way! If you tell anyone about this...
Mush! Mush!
I'm mushing! I'm mushing!
A shake or a juice?
Juice! Have juice! Everyone loves juice!
I have juice.
Would you like to have...
He doesn't want anything else! Ow.
Crafted beeswax candle bombs
Is
will...
this a battle or a craft fair? Oh, I've got the skills all right. I'm so full of skills that skills are leaking out of my ears. I mean, not literally, because that would be disgusting. Okay, I won. This is the part where everyone cheers.
No. No. No.
Ahem.
You're not an alien.
Really? You think? Knuckles, you gotta let us fight, or else Eggman's trash will be collected in a timely fashion. Time to take in the trash.
What does that mean?
Shh, it's a dramatic moment. We do the script my way, or I walk. Why am I dressed like a discount bin action figure?
That's a good question.
No, it's not.
All those pieces are gonna come crashing down on us.
Yeah! I mean, oh, that's terrible. Everybody chill!
You know what they say, no pain, no gain.
I'm sorry if this was painful for you, Tails. Place is deserted and depressing. It's Amy's poetry slam all over again.